Listen, since this thing happened, my granddaughter was so traumatized.
I know.
And she even went to school. And she get this child to birth in school, the teacher them sent to me. They get panic attack twice. Yeah. And I take her to Lenora Hospital to get oxygen.
Wow.
After taking her from there, her mother, which is my daughter, right? And she know, her mother know everything. And it's her mother, my daughter doing this. I'm telling you from my heart. Feeding Haley, woman, what's it, Haley, with the sort of information that what this woman put out on the internet. Yes, because this is private between the family. Yes. Me and me daughter don't really agree because of the same child, because of my granddaughter. And she didn't even make welfare take away this little girl, and I go and fight for she and get Shema. Right now, my granddaughter in welfare custody. And when this thing come up for me, the granddaughter start getting panic attack and all these things, I involve the welfare back in it.
Yeah,
So it's not me, it's the welfare and the doctor stating that when she gonna decide to go and give she statement, nobody in holding she back, nobody is stopping she and thing, but they said that she's not ready yet to go and give the statement.
because of the state.
Unbelievable. Look how Haley lied instead of this woman. See the big thinking about the Haley. She don't know shit as she talking. My sister never went to no liars stopping this child from going to Brian or nobody. Listen, let me say this to y'all. I'm not a rich person. Right now, I barely battle in my rent, and me